Parks After Dark is a small but mighty strategy.
Community looks forward to Parks After Dark. Each year, we see such a great turnout.
Parks After Dark transforms communities that were once overrun by gang violence into vibrant community centers.
They're able to come in and feel safe and have programs and just enjoy themselves.
Last summer I used to always be sitting under my house. I didn't have nothing to do, and now I get to come here to the pool and go outside.
That's a big deal, and that's what I see at Parks After Dark, and that's what I would like to see in all of our Los Angeles County parks.
Parks After Dark started in 2010 as part of the county's gang violence reduction initiative. We offer extended summer evening hours at the parks. It is really difficult to ask people to engage in physical activity or to eat healthy when they are living in communities with high levels of violence, and the rational choice is to stay indoors. Obesity prevalence and high rates of violence, it's all interrelated.
This park used to be infested with Florencia 13 gang, which is F13. On Fridays, Saturdays, and Sundays, you would see nothing but gang members, and they will literally control this park.
I came to this park when I was about this age. At a certain time of the hour, that's it. You had to be in your caves, I would say, because you couldn't walk through this park.
The goal of the program is for everyone to be there, you know, even people who are involved in gangs. When we worked with the Sheriff's Department, the agreement was, as long as they're there with their family, we want everyone to be here.
So with Parks After Dark, every year, the community came on board and said, this is our park.
I think Parks After Dark is one element of an overall violence prevention strategy. If you want to address long-term violence in communities, you need to stay there and be there for a while because change takes time. And we're starting to build those relationships.
One of the things we heard from the sheriff deputies was that, it wasn't just their presence that made it safe, it was a critical mass of people, having the opportunity to, interact positively and engage in the community.
We're in our gymnasium. The first year of PAD, we actually had the teens versus the sheriffs. And this is where we beat the sheriffs 4 times for the record. A lot of the teens didn't know that the sheriffs that they were playing with actually grew up in this community. And I think that was one of the key points that PAD was about, was to kind of get the community not to be afraid of the sheriffs.
This past summer, we played a tournament against the local parks. Just playing for this park and representing this park is a great experience.
Say you're emotionally down, as in sad, mad or something, you could go to the club.
This teen club could be the bridge to overcome the problems in life. I know one call to Miss Charlotte, she'll help me out anytime.
Technically, this teen club's almost like a family to me.
I believe that Parks After Dark is really the heart of a community.
Every kid deserves a safe place to play. It really is all about health equity. We're really hoping to impact so much more in terms of health.
Here at the park, what else do you play?
Baseball.
Okay, what else do you play?
Tag.
I would love to see it get to every LA County park in our Parks and Recreation system. I think that every community, no matter what their socioeconomic classes are, Parks After Dark has something for everybody.
Parks After Dark! Yes!